How to restore your Microsoft data. Your business-critical data is vulnerable to data loss due to malware, ransomware, human and system errors, and malicious deletion. In a recent study, it was found that 81% of companies surveyed lost Microsoft 365 data, and only 15% were able to recover it without a third-party backup service. In this video, we will show you how to restore your data quickly and seamlessly with Cloud Ally's backup, which reduces downtime and ensures business continuity. Cloud Ally Backup offers multiple recovery options, including point-in-time and using granular search with keywords. You can also recover across users and organizations. You do need an activated backup with Cloud Ally to be able to recover your data. Let's get started. Click Recovery from the navigation panel. The Restore and Download page is displayed with all your active backup details. Click the Backup task from which you wish to recover the data. This page displays all of your Microsoft sites that are backed up, with details such as site, first backup date, last backup date, and available actions. You can filter the list to find the right one using the following options. Enter a phrase in the search field for a list of all the sites matching the phrase. You can filter accounts by statuses from the drop-down list. Cloud Ally supports full keyword search. Locate the site you would like to recover and click the arrow in the Action column. Click Via Item Search. Type a keyword in the search bar, or click the arrow to perform an advanced search, for example, on the author's name or on the backup date. From here, you can restore or export your items. In this Microsoft video, you learned about how to use the powerful tools that Cloud Ally provides you with to locate the exact backed up data you would like to recover. Click on the links after this video to learn more about restoring and exporting Microsoft data. Thanks for watching.